What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another episode. Now this episode's a little bit different. It's a little bit more short type episode. This was my close call storm of the year, and I cannot wait for y'all to see it. So this day started out hot and humid as normal at the beach, because I was there for several days leading up to this event. However, on the that day, there was a suggestion that after dark storms would fire up along the sea breeze and ride up the coast, although I thought nothing of it and went about my day. So later on that evening, I was photographing some of the lightning that was out in the far distance like the previous nights. However, about 20 minutes into my shooting, there was a shower that fired up just to my south, and I didn't know what to make of it at first. I thought maybe it was just stratiform rain because there were anvils everywhere. However, on the next scan, it was taller, and anvils don't get taller if they're not attached to an updraft. Within 20 minutes, this storm had already become a prolific electrical storm. Within 20 minutes of this thing getting going, from shower to electric storm, it took off. And it unleashed some of the most intense and frequent close CGs or clad to ground lightning I've ever witnessed in my entire life. What made this one so intense and crazy is the frequency and how close they were and just the sheer number of them.
Nice. I'm pretty sure I got that one. That was nice. My only concern right now. Alright, I'm going to walk to the other side of the building. Or run. And run up the stairs to the third floor. See what I can see from up here. Rain's not really coming in. Oh, that one wasn't far. Alright, I have had 2 close calls, and they're very, very close right now, the bolts. And I just thought I'd record just for fun, because they're really, really on us. Woo! Thank you again for the towels, I needed this. It was long enough.
I chose to present the following clips in real time because of the sheer awesomeness of the storm.
Cool. Okay, awesome. I want to film it. They're right on us. Right on us. Oh my gosh. I'm not even that tense. I'm just... Oh, I'm wet. I'm wet. I'm not even all that... Yeah, I'm not all that tense. I'm just wet. I'm shooting them raw out there, so I should be getting them pretty good. I'm not turning this camera off until I get one. Yeah, I'm not turning this camera off until I get one. My phone, that is. This thing is very strong. Come on, give me a close call real quick. Oh no, I feel like there's gonna be another one. Close call number 3. W. Alright, running to get battery. That's why I'm recording right now. Oh, got that bitch. I need a camera battery right now. Oh, yeah, I just need a battery. Just battery. Okay, awesome. Pouring rain still. Close calls firing all around me. At least 11 and counting. I need a camera battery right now. Can I record? Oh wow. Oh wow, I can't. Okay, you are covering for my camera right now. I need to change battery. Very, very close bolts. Holy! Woo!
Oh, that was another long trip.
Yeah.
These are close, dude, aren't they?
Yeah. No way, that one just struck a transformer. Holy.
I had 27 counted close strikes, and many others with that were not as close. Well, y'all, I think that's going to be it for this little short form episode. I hope y'all enjoyed, and I hope to see y'all in the next one. Peace.